Alright, so we just got this stainless steel wet dry vac, and it's called ECOMAX. Alright, so this is everything that comes with your vacuum cleaner. You've got two heads. This one's got a little brush on it, right? And this one's just basically just a small brush. And then you have three connectors that you can, depending on the length of you want to set up if you're going to be doing vacuuming. And then you've got a crevice tool for like inside your couches. And then this connects to the onto the vacuum cleaner itself. So yeah. All right, so if you're doing the crevice, you could just go like this, really. You know, to get your crevice tool. You could also just use these like this, you know what I mean? If you want. Or you can use this. Now, if you want to expand it, you could go with one, and then of course put your head on, just like that. But if you're doing, you know, let's say you're vacuuming the rug, you could extend it as far as these. So check it out. So now you've got a big extension, right? And then if you put your head on there, look at this. There you go. Now you can stand up, right? And I could vacuum like this. You follow me? So we'll give it a try and see what we think. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and smush her in here. Get her started. There we go. And now we just gotta plug it in. I'm just gonna plug it in over here. So now this thing's ready to go. It has a start and stop button right here. And all I gotta do is press it. It's working really good. All right, if you like this video, check out all our other videos on cool stuff like this ECOMAX. And I gotta say, man, this is a really good vacuum cleaner. Very powerful suction. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. Highly recommend it.